Alright, so now we just took our JPEG files of our mailbox. Here's an example right here. So you can see here's the mailbox, here's the red laser, it's at 0 degrees. And now what we're going to do is take those pictures, and based on their angles, we're going to use a Python script called datageneration.py, which is going to take those and turn them into a 3D point cloud of x, y, and z coordinates. So that takes a long time, so fortunately I've already done that. Here's an example. I've labeled it my test results. So it pops up here, you see a lot of zeros initially, but as we go down we'll start seeing all these individual points, and they're in order, x, y, z. Then what we did is we used WinSCP right here, which is a file transfer system that transfers the files from my Raspberry Pi to my computer, after which we then used a different MATLAB script that takes that information. Here you go, it takes that information, my test results, takes that information, divides the information into x, y, and z coordinates, and then plots them on a 3D point cloud. So the results are as follows. So you see here, so at first glance it doesn't exactly look like a mailbox, but so what is all this right here? This right here is the greenery that the mailbox was actually sitting on. So these are actual laser points, and I got them pretty well. So you do also see the outer face of the mailbox. So you see this main flat surface. That's the surface that we said would be pretty easy to get. And you also get a little bit of this top right here. It didn't get so much of this notch, which is to be expected. And by playing with the thresholding, we were able to get about 1.5 of the legs, but not a whole lot. As you can see, it primarily got from these pictures the back and not so much of these legs.